students, what is up? Today we will study mathematics from class 4th and the chapter is subtraction, 5th chapter of the textbook. And today we will do exercises and some important questions that are essential to know. And the exercise is exercise 5.2. Let's do some questions from exercise 5.2. The first question is subtract the following. As you all know, this chapter is fully based on subtraction. So the first question is subtract the following. $37,804, 18,503. Question number B, 86,789, 17,324. Question number C, 51,326, 26,105. Question number D, 86,848, 17,923. $71,357, 23,450. Question number F, 82,094, 38,540. So let's subtract it. 4 minus 3, we got 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 is less than 8, so we have to take borrow. We got borrow, it would be 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 8, 9. And it is now 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 19,301 is the answer. 4 minus 3, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 8, 8 can't be separated by 7, so we have to take borrow and we got borrow, so now it is 17. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9 and 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay? 7 minus 3 is 4. And 6 is less than 7. So 7 can't be subtracted by 6. So we have to take borrow. So we got borrow and we have now 16. 16 minus 7, 9. And it is now 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Let's repeat it. 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. 16 minus 7, 9. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 11 minus 6, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. And 1 is less than 6. And 6 is impossible to subtract. So we got borrow from 5 and now it is 11. 11 minus 6 is 5 and 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 3, 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 is less than 9, so 18 minus 9, 9. 5, it is now 5. We got borrow here, we got borrow from 8. 16, it can't be 16, it is 15. 15 minus 7, 8. And it is now 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Let's understand it, again. 8 minus 3, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 is, less than 9, so we got borrow. 18 minus 9, 9. It is now 5. So we will take borrow from 8 and it is now 15. 15 minus 7, 8. And it is now 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 5 2, 5 minus 1 4, it is now 3. So we will take borrow 13 minus 4, it will be 13, and 13 minus 4, now you can understand it is 3. We got subtracted 5 from 7, 7 minus 5, it is 2, 5 minus 1 4, it is now 3. 3 can't be separated by 4, so we got borrow, and 13 minus 4 is 9, and it is now 0, so we will take borrow again. 0 plus 10 is equal to 10, 10 minus 3 is 7, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So it is the correct answer. Here it was just 3, and we have to subtract 4. How can we subtract that? So we have to take borrow from 1, and we got borrow. So we have now plus 10. So 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 4 minus 0, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. It is 0. So we have to take borrow 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Now this digit is 1. So let's take borrow. It is now 11. 11 minus 8, 3. 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 43,550. Let's jump to the second question. Do as directed. Do as directed. Subtract 73,247 from 4,23,678. It means from 4,23,678 we have to subtract 73,247. So my limit is 4,23,678 and subtracted is 73,247. So let's subtract 8 minus 7, 1, 7 minus 4, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, 3 minus 3, 0, 2 is less than 7, so let's take borrow from 4, 12, 12 minus 7, 5, and it is 3. So we have the difference here. Let's take question number B and question number 2. Subtract 2,23,887. 2,23,887 from 5,42,456. So let's subtract 5,42,456 and 2,23,887. Okay, let's subtract. It is 6. So let's take and borrow 16. 16 minus 7, 9. And it is now 4. Let's take borrow 14 minus 8, 6. 3. 3 can't be separated by 8. So let's take borrow again. So 13. 13 minus 8, 5. It is now 1. 1 can't be separated by 3. So let's take borrow. It is now 11. 11 minus 3, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. Let's subtract again. 16 minus 7, 9. 15, it is now 4. So 14 minus 8, 6. It is now 3. 13 minus 8, 5. It is now 1. 11 minus 3, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Question number C is subtract 5,68,925 from 96,44,283. So let's subtract 96,44,283. As you can see, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Now subtract 5,68,920. 3 is less than 5, so 5 can't be separated by 3. So let's take and borrow from 8. And now we have 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Now it is 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 2 is less than 9, so let's take and borrow. 12 minus, it is now 12. 12 minus 9, 4. Oh, sorry, 9, 3, 12. It is now 3. So 13. 13 minus 8, 5. It is now 3. 13 minus 6, 7. 5 minus 5, 0, and now 13 minus 5, 8. 7 minus 2, 5. 12 minus 9, 3. 13 minus 8, 5. And 13 minus 6, 7. And 5 minus 5, 0. And 9 minus nothing, so 9. Let's take the question number 3. Subtract 4,83,465. 4,83,465 from 9,57,253. So 9,57,253, 4,83,465. Let's subtract. So 13 minus 5, 8. 14 minus 6, 7. 8. 14 minus 6, 8. And now it is 1. So let's take and borrow. 11 minus 4, 7. It is now 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 5. Let's take borrow. 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 8 minus 4, which is now right answer. 13 minus 5, 8. And 15 minus 6, 8. Sorry, 14 minus 6, 8. Now 11. 11 minus 4, 7. 6 minus 3, 3. 15 minus 8, 7. And 8 minus 4 is 4. Let's jump to another question. Question number 3. Fill the missing monument. Fill the missing monument. Question number 8. There is given a box for monument and 4, 8, 7, 4, 3. And there is given an answer 29,568. So here we have to fill the monument. So what the digit can be filled here? So let's add it and fill this box. So by adding these separated and difference, you can fill the monument. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So one carry would be 8. 11 minus 3 would be 8. So here we have one carry. 6, 4, 10. 10, 1, 11. 11 minus 4, now we subtract 11 minus 1, 12. As we can see that 4, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 9, 5, 6, 8. Let's add 8, 3, 11, 1 carry 6, 4, 10, 1, 11, 7, 5, 12, 12, 1, 13, 9, 9, 18, and 4 to 6, 1, 7. 78,311, 78,311 and 48,743. Let's subtract it. 11 minus 3, 8. Now it is 10. 10 minus 4, 6. And it is now 3. Now 2, because we have given 1 borrow to 1. So 12 minus 7, 5. And it is now 7. Let's take and borrow. 17 minus 8, 9. And 6 minus 4, 2. 29,568. We have the correct answer, so we have to fill it 78311. 78311. 78311 and 1. Okay. So if you want to fill the monument, add the subtrahend plus difference. Okay. If you add the subtrahend and difference, you will got the monument. Okay. So let's take another example. Question number B. There is place for monument and subtrahend is 20589 and the difference is 11383. 11383. अब क्या करना है आपको, इन दोनों को ऐड कर देना. 5891138 let's add it. 9 3 12 8 8 61 75 3 8 1 9 1 1 2 and 2 1 3. Okay, so 9 2 12 minus 9 3, so 32972. 32972 will be the correct answer. So by adding the subtrahend and difference you can find the monument. Okay. Let's jump to the fourth question. The fourth question is find the missing subtrahend. This time we have the opposite question of question number 3rd. Find the missing subtrahend. Find the missing subtrahend. So we have 8, 4, 3, 4, 5 and this given a box to fill the subtrahend and the answer is 4, 6, 4, sorry, the answer is 7, 4, 4, 8 and 3. So this is the answer and we have to fill the subtrahend. Subtrahend. So अभी क्या करना है, हमें इनको फाइंड आउट करना है. माइनस हमारे पास है, डिफरेंस हमारे पास है, सबट्रैक्ट हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. इट मींस कि 5 में से क्या सबट्रैक्ट करें कि हमें 7 मिल जाए. ओके. सो अगर हम इन दोनों को ऐड करते हैं 8 4 3 4 5 जैसा कि हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में किया था फाइंड आउट करने के लिए किसको, मोन्यूमेंट, और 3 8 4 4 7 क्योंकि इन दोनों का डिफरेंस जो है वो आपका क्या है, सबट्रैक्शन है, ये डिफरेंस है. सो 15 7 5 12 4 4 8 1 9 4 3 7 8 4 12 8 3 11 1 12. So 1,22,792 is the correct answer. So let's subtract it by them and let's check the answer. 84,345 and 12,27,092. So 7 5 12 4 4 8 1 9 47 and 8 4 12 8 3 11 1 12. So 2 9 7 2 2 and 1. 5 minus 2. So it is now greater number, so we have to write the it would be the lower number. So we can also subtract this number if you want. 84, 345 and 38447. 15 minus 7, 15 minus 7, it would be 8, and here 3, 13 minus 4, 8, 13 minus 4, 13 minus 4 will be 9, and here we have 12 minus 4, 8, and here we have 3, 13 minus 8, 7. 13 minus 8 would be 5, and 7 minus 3 would be 4. So 45,898 would be subtracted to get the right number. So 15 minus 8 would be 7. So 45,898 would be the correct answer. So to find the subtrahend, we have to subtract minuend and difference to find the minuend. Okay, so the next question is fill the box with correct digit. Fill the box with correct digit. The fifth question is. The last one is 82,009, and is given a box and 5. And the box 1, 4, 6, and the box 5. There is another box 4, 6, and 4. So here we have to fill the box. 5 minus 1, 4. What would be subtracted by 6 to get 6? So 8 would be subtracted by 6, so it would be get 6. So 6 minus 6, 12, 2, and 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 1, 1, 8 minus 3 will be 5. So we can fill it easily. So here we have completed the exercise. Students, we will jump to the next exercise in the next video. So for now, thank you so much.